Hi everyone, this is Xiaomi 15 Ultra. I know like this. Watch this video.
Say hello to another bombastic entrant in Xiaomi's Ultra series. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra leads with its Leica back camera array, made all the more prominent by the existing 1-inch 50MP main sensor being joined by a new, larger 1/1.4-inch 200MP telephoto sensor. As with the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, it takes superb shots that don't look as processed or technically perfect as what you might expect out of Google's pixel imaging pipeline, but they're potentially better for it. Meanwhile, its videography skills have been tailored to meet and beat the likes of the iPhone 16 Pro series across areas including resolution, control, and log video capture. Beyond the excellent imaging experience, the phone's underlying internals impress, with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite running the show. That's backed up by tangible optimization benefits from Xiaomi HyperCore resource management, a new ice-cool vapor chamber, and the fastest storage and RAM you'll find on any phone out right now. HyperOS 2.0, atop Android 15, expands on the AI feature set introduced on the 14 Ultra, with useful translation, productivity, and image editing tools. There's nothing that sets Xiaomi's AI feature set apart from major rivals, but it delivers on its promises, save for reflection removal, which refuse to work correctly in testing. Beyond AI, there is a wealth of nice refinements to the look and feel of the user experience. However, inconsistencies and some inexplicable choices mean Xiaomi's interface remains one of the more convoluted and trickier to deal with. The company has also only committed to 4 years of OS and 6 years of security updates, lagging behind industry leaders and harming the phone's long-term value proposition. The screen is stunning and boasts better drop resistance than its predecessors, while the new silicon carbide battery lasts less time than expected but can be replenished quickly, thanks to rapid 90W charging. Presumably due to some EU regulation, 15 Ultras sold in the EU come with a smaller battery than their Chinese counterparts, although this isn't an ailment that's unique to Xiaomi. All in all, Xiaomi has improved on everything that made the last Ultra so great, while most of the weaknesses are persistent pain points, more deeply rooted in Xiaomi's approach, primarily to software. For the price, this is a respectable Uber flagship. However, those hoping to get their hands on one in markets like the US or Australia will have a tough time doing so, as Xiaomi doesn't sell its phones in these regions, and carrier support isn't guaranteed.